Hi, my name is Wei from U-Angel. We are a professional manufacturer of power bank products, mobile phone accessories, and consumer electronics. Today, I want to introduce to you our new power bank model H100DW. I'm putting an iPhone 8 side by side so you can see its size in comparison. It is a little bigger than an iPhone 8, and it is about twice as thick as an iPhone. This model is with a 10,000 milliamp hour battery capacity. Depends on the charging mode you select. If you use the fast charge mode to charge your iPhone, it can charge 2 times. It can charge your iPhone 8 2 times. But if you use the regular charging mode, which is a little slower than the fast charge mode, it can charge your iPhone 8 up to 3.7 times. Let me just quickly show you the detailed specs of this model. Later on, we're going to go through some of those specs in details and explain how this power bank works. H100DW has 3 USB ports on the top. On the left-hand side is the regular USB port. This port supports QC 3.0. QC 3.0 is a popular fast charge standard by Qualcomm. It supports up to 18 watts of output. In the middle is the micro USB port. Micro USB port is for input only. If your power bank runs out of the power, you will use this port to charge the power bank itself. It supports up to 18 watts of input. On the right-hand side is the Type-C port. Type-C port supports PD 3.0, which is another popular fast charge standard. Nowadays, the new iPhones supports PD 3.0, meaning that if you want to charge your iPhone with a fast charge mode, you would want to use the Type-C mode, the Type-C port. If you charge your iPhone 8 using the Type-C port from 0% to 50%, it takes less than 30 minutes. Now, on one side, you see this sign. This is for wireless charging. If your phone supports wireless charging, you simply put your phone on top of the power bank, then it will charge your phone wirelessly. On the side, there's a button. Push the button, you will see some LED indicator light up. You see the 4 LED indicator on the top. Each one of them represents 25% of the battery power. So if you have 4 LED indicator all light up, it means that you have 100% of the power remaining. But if the 3 indicator light up, it means you have 75% of the remaining power, and so on. In addition, we use flame retardant in making our cases. Our casings have reached flame resistant rate of V0, which is the highest rating of plastic material. Our standard version of H100BW comes with a rubberized finish. Rubberized finish is basically a matte finish. Upon request, we can also do UV coating and a metallic painting finish. This is the UV coating finish. It's shining and glossy. Here is the metallic finish. We also support logo imprinting. We can do silk screen printing, full color digital printing, and laser engraving. I'm going to show you how I use H100DW to charge 3 mobile phones simultaneously, and at the same time itself is being charged by using another power bank. First of all, I'm going to use its regular USB port to charge an Android phone. And then I am using its Type-C port to charge my iPhone 8. So now there are 2 devices, and I am going to charge my Samsung using the wireless charging functionality. First of all, I need to push the button to activate the wireless charge. And then I put my Samsung on top of H100DW. As you can see, it's charging 3 devices simultaneously. Now I am going to use its micro USB port to charge H100DW. As you can see, 3 devices are being charged simultaneously, and if we look at the H100DW, you see the white LED indicator. When it's flashing, it means that the power bank itself is being charged. If you are interested in our H100DW power bank or any other products, or you would like to find out more information related to our factory, our products, our logistics, our service, please contact us. We are looking forward to hearing from you. Goodbye.